What's that noise coming downstairs? I've been burgled. Oh no! To help you avoid better deal with flooding, there are a few simple steps that you can take. The first thing to do is to check whether the property is certified to be a risk of disaster with the same. If it is, sign up for its ready flood warning service. However, be aware, some is water flooding making flood warnings. If you think you might flood, it's a good to be protected and ready to using for later on. Having an emergency flood pack will save you valuable time. Warm clothing, related to your property. Putting into an important documents, but early so to do so. Keep your important documents as it to servers and emergency are not to the ground floor. A torch in case the power goes off. Don't forget spare batteries or even to get a wind-up torch. The first aid kit or someone else gets injured. If you have pets, take care to keep them safe. Keep a carry box in easy reach in case you can't generate them. Some food and water are also vital. The water supply to be cut up or carbonated. A few months ago, it's for the flood alert, and now it be warned that could be flooding in the area in the next few hours. It's time to put in plan instruction. Make sure your flood kit hunting is to keep it with you. However, is the ground and upstairs as possible. Stay alert if any instruction received in a rental property. It's time to leave. Grab your flood kit and get moving. I think making him making is come upon. Do not drive in flood water. Making the instructions, making us a preparatory way to begin in flood water. How is it making our services? Well, soon you'll know where to safety.